5 to 6 years from now, once the price drops to a more worldly level. This bad boy features over 16,000 of Nvidia's CUDA cores, 24 gigabytes of GDDR6X memory, and wow, a whopping power consumption of 450 watts, which necessitates, this is cool, this new PCI Express Gen 5 12-pin power connector. Not only does it have 12 volt and ground pins, but it also has these sense pins that allow your GPU and your power supply to communicate their capabilities with each other to ensure that your system will never run out of spec. Now, there's been quite a bit of discussion online about the fragility of these connectors.